And I didn't even look at it. So pretty. Wow.
Yeah, these are frogs. Those are frogs. Yeah. They're frogs. Frog? Ribbit?
That ain't no ribbit. That's more like a quack. It's a duck frog. Oh, that was so pretty. If only we had a closer view. Okay. Here it is. And then the smoke right in the middle. Whoa! We would be able to hear that from home. I'm so glad I caught that on camera. Because that was gorgeous. Okay, y'all coming with me to go get a capture of some other ones, some other fireworks. That ain't over here.